I've just sifted through 30 of the biggest cycling brands to find the boldest, the straight-up best-looking jerseys of 2025. And here's the pick of the bunch, served up as a mouth-watering countdown. 5 trends that will be turning heads this season. If plain jerseys and safety signs make your heart sing, well, sorry mate, you're lost. But if you fancy a taste of the most flamboyant cycling style, grab a plate. This kit feast is about to be served. Welcome to HOTON Cycling Style, the channel that couldn't care less about nutrition plans and training theory. No, we focus on what really matters, looking disgustingly good on a bike. Because the right jersey isn't just a kit, it's a fashion statement that turns your body into a 3-dimensional masterpiece. Alright, let's dig in. Trend number 5. Remember when you dreamed of going pro, but for some reason it didn't quite happen? Good news though, you can still look the part. Ostra is doing pro team inspired jerseys loaded with logos and sponsors without actually breaking the Illuminati kit rules. Marp and Beeler are also having a go at it, but those pale faded colors don't come with the same swagger that Ostra pulls off. The great thing about Ostra's version is how they mix different aesthetics and elements into something oddly elegant. It's like an actual pro team kit where no one said no to any sponsor. Okay, not exactly new, but here's the thing. Black and white always works. Matches every bike, every bar tape, even those slightly tragic shoes you bought last year. When the design goes bold and graphic, it turns the jersey into a bit of an attitude piece, borderline seizure-inducing while still being easy to pair. Rafa's dragon fruit inspired jersey is an absolute beauty this year. I'm sensing African World Champs afterparty vibes all over this. Q36.5's playing in the same sandbox, and Chairs throws some tropical undertones too. I like it. Alright, time for the podium. Animal prints on cyclists? Not a new idea. But the bold style rider always needs a fresh take on it. This year's standout is the pink Tiger 2 from Q36.5, painterly stripes in dusky pink and black. It's a low-key nod to cheapo without full cheapo. Marlini's cheetah print is a classic desaturated affair. Love the paints gone the opposite way, full yellow leopard print mayhem. This trend is alive and clawing, but silver medal goes to something strong, fresh and new. Pissay, Monton, Le Col, Santini, they are all doing it. Colors blended to an abstract blur, easy to create, easy to pull off, and even easier to rip off. But Santini's Unico jersey is the one that actually gets it right. Fresh, bold with asymmetrical splashes that somehow make a matchy-matchy look completely effortless. A proper keeper for 2025. And the winner, Slopeline's Impulso Fantasy White. An Italian flamboyant masterpiece. It's basically party in jersey form, painterly abstract and marble inspired with streaks of white, pink, green and gold. This is the jersey for the bravest, the boldest, most insufferably stylish cyclists out there. The kind of jersey you either worship or you can't wait for it to hit the 70% off by June. Will it sell? Who knows? Do I love it? Absolutely! Slopline, you have outdone yourselves. This is my ultimate pick for the 2025 season. Alright, I think the mood is getting dangerously good in here. Quick reminder, if you haven't seen my worst cycling jerseys of 2025 videos yet, Go watch them before you accidentally buy one of those disasters. Anyway, this channel's packed with weird videos about cycling style, leg shaving, sunglasses, and even music videos about bike porn, bar tape, sock length, and other deeply important topics. Right, I better stop now. Catch you out there.